iTorial, Intelligent Tutorials. Microsoft Word 2007, Creating Smartart. This is a continuation of the Formatting a Document in Sections tutorial. Let's create a Smartart graphic. Verify that the insertion point is located at the top of page 4. Then create a page break. Now, click the Insert tab, and then, in the Illustrations group, click the Smartart button. The Choose a Smartart graphic dialog box opens. The dialog box consists of 3 panels. The left panel lists the categories of Smartart graphics. The middle panel displays the graphics associated with the category selected in the left panel, and the right panel displays a larger image of the graphic that is currently selected in the middle panel, along with an explanation of the graphic's purpose. Currently, all is selected in the left panel. This means you could use the scroll bar in the middle panel to see all the possible Smartart graphics. Now, explore the Choose a Smartart graphic dialog box by selecting categories in the left panel and viewing the graphics displayed in the middle panel. Now, in the left panel, click Relationship, and then in the middle panel, click the Equation graphic. In the far left column, 5th row from the top, which shows 3 circles in an equation. Now, click the OK button. The Choose a Smartart graphic dialog box closes, and the equation graphic with the placeholder text is inserted at the top of page 4. The graphic is surrounded by a rectangular border indicating that it is selected. The Smartart tools are visible on the ribbon. To the left or right of the graphic, you might also see the text pane, a small window with a title bar that reads, "Type your text here." Now, if you do not see the text pane, click the left-facing arrow on the left side of the Smartart border. The text pane is useful for complicated graphics containing many parts. However, the equation graphic is simple enough that you can type the text directly in the circles, so you will close the text pane in the next step. Now, click the Close button in the upper right corner of the text pane. You will type the text directly into the circles. Now, let's add text to the Smartart graphic. In the blue circle on the left, click the placeholder text, which reads Text. The placeholder text disappears and the insertion point blinks inside the left circle. The left circle is surrounded by a box consisting of a dotted line with small white circles on the corners and a small white square in the middle of each side. This box indicates that the blue circle is selected, ready for you to replace the placeholder text with your text. The circles and squares along the border of the box are called handles. You can drag them to change the shape of the item inside the box. For now, just ignore them. Now, type Great Service. The font size gets smaller as you type, shrinking to accommodate each new letter without increasing the size of the circle. Now, click the placeholder text in the middle circle. Type Great Food. Click the right circle to select it, and type Great Restaurant. The right circle remains selected. Click in the white area inside the Smartart border to deselect the right circle. The equation now reads Great Service plus Great Food equals Great Restaurant. The graphic is almost finished. Your last task is to increase its size so it fills the page. To resize the entire Smartart graphic, you drag the outer border. Now, zoom out so you can see the entire page. Position the mouse pointer over the lower right corner of the Smartart border. The pointer changes to a diagonal double-sided arrow. Drag the pointer down and to the right. As you drag, the pointer changes to a crosshair. A rectangular outline moves with the pointer, showing how the dimensions of the Smartart border will appear when you release the mouse button. The size of the graphic won't actually change until you release the mouse button. Position the pointer in the lower right corner of the page, so the outline is approximately 9 inches wide and 6.5 inches high. Alright, now, release the mouse button. The Smartart graphic resizes so that it is now 9 inches wide and 6.5 inches high, taking up most of the page. Now, click outside the Smartart border to view the graphic centered on the page. Alright, nice work. You just created and edited a Smartart graphic in a Microsoft Word document. Pat yourself on the back. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we hope you come back to watch another iTorial tutorial sometime soon.